Aircraft vehicles. Name and sound.
Oh no!
Police helicopter. Police helicopters are the use of aircraft in police operations. Police agencies often use aircraft for traffic control, ground support, search and rescue, high-speed car pursuits, surveillance, aerial controls, and control of large public events. Large-scale or public order incident. Blimp. Blimp are often used in aerial travel experiences. In it, put a large amount of hot air or gases lighter than regular air in a bag. From there, creating a thrust to fly upward. Seaplane. Seaplanes are fixed-wing motorized aircraft capable of taking off and landing on water. Seaplanes are often used in tourism and in rescue work at sea or on rivers and lakes. Cargo helicopter. Cargo helicopters are helicopters designed with large size and capacity to transport large quantities of goods. They are often used in the military. Stealth aircraft. A stealth aircraft is a type of aircraft specifically designed to avoid detection by using many technologies to reduce the reflection/emission of radar and infrared rays. Helps avoid being detected by the enemy. Coast Guard helicopter. Coast Guard helicopters are specialized air transport vehicles designed to serve the work of maintaining security in order, search and rescue at sea. Gyroplane. Gyroplanes are small aircraft manufactured to serve the needs of carrying people in small numbers and traveling short distances. Normally a gyroplane can only carry a maximum of 2 people. Jumbo jet. Jumbo jet is a large-capacity wide-body jet aircraft used to transport people and goods in large quantities. Wide-body aircraft are widely used by airlines around the world. Multipurpose helicopter. Multipurpose helicopter is a type of aircraft designed to be used for many different purposes such as transporting people, transporting goods, search and rescue. Biplane. A biplane is a fixed-wing aircraft with 2 main wings stacked on top of each other. It was used as a light transport aircraft, able to carry 1 or 2 passengers. Firefighter helicopter. Firefighting helicopters are specialized helicopters used for firefighting purposes in places that are difficult to reach by road. Ambulance plane. Ambulance plane is the use of aircraft to provide various types of medical care, especially pre-hospital, emergency and critical care to patients during air evacuation and rescue operations. Fighter jet. Fighters jet are high-speed aircraft designed to carry weapons such as rocket guns and bombs for combat on the battlefield. Tilt rotor. A tilt rotor is a type of aircraft that produces lift and thrust by means of one or more powered propellers mounted on rotating shafts or nacelles, usually at the ends of a fixed wing. Concorde. Concorde is a supersonic passenger aircraft. The aircraft design has no tail with a narrow fuselage that allows 4 seats abreast for 92 to 128 passengers, ogival-shaped wings and a lowered nose for clear visibility when landing. Ambulance helicopter. Ambulance helicopters are specialized helicopters used in the medical industry to provide various types of medical care, especially in hospital, emergency, and critical care for patients during evacuation operations. And rescue by plane. Cargo aircraft. Cargo aircraft are fixed-wing aircraft designed or converted to transport goods instead of passengers. Such aircraft typically have no passenger amenities and often have one or more large cargo doors. Tanker plane. A tanker is a type of transport aircraft specifically designed to carry oil or fuel. It can refuel other aircraft in the air while flying in the sky. Rescue helicopter. Rescue helicopter is a specialized vehicle for search and rescue in places with complex terrain where people cannot travel by road. Propeller plane. A propeller plane is a type of aircraft commonly used for light and medium transport aircraft. because of its durable operation, easy maintenance and fuel economy. Propeller aircraft often fly at slow speeds, so they are also suitable for search and rescue. Water bomber plane. A water bomber plane is a type of aircraft designed with a large water tank under the fuselage used for fighting fires in large areas such as forest fires and fields. Army helicopter. An Army helicopter is a helicopter specially built or converted for use by military forces. They are equipped with weapons to be able to serve in training and combat. Private jet. A private jet is a jet aircraft designed to transport small groups of people, typically businessmen, business executives, and senior associates. Agricultural helicopter. Agricultural helicopter are aircraft built or converted for use in agriculture. They are commonly used for spraying pesticides or fertilizers or for aerial crop irrigation or used for hydroseeding.